Did you know there's some cars that actually have to sneeze? You might have seen this in Fast and Furious. This is called nitrous purging, but what exactly is its purpose? Well, you can have a dry or wet nitrous system. When you have a wet nitrous system, you're sending liquid nitrous with direct injection combined with fuel. But as the nitrous heats up, it turns into a vapor. That vapor gets trapped in the lines that goes to your fuel injector, bogging the engine. So drivers must purge nitrous vapor so that fresh liquid nitrous is ready to be injected. And when you have a dry system, well, people just do it to intimidate their opponent in a race.